Hello student, welcome to the KTHM e-learning portal. I am Pratik Shinde, working as assistant professor in Department of Zoology, KTHM College, Nashik. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the chapter Environmental Pollution, and we are going to cover the topic Soil Pollution. First, we will see what is soil. Soil is defined as the top layer of the earth crust. It contains organic matter, inorganic matter, water, air, and many living organisms. Soil provides support and nutrient for plant growth. And the properties of soil, it is structure, porosity, chemistry, color, and the soil is made up of different size particles. The healthy soil has a valuable asset. It has been received more and more toxic substance, and the soil become contaminated or polluted. Soil pollution defined as the buildup in soils of persist toxic compound, chemicals, salt, radioactive material, or disease causing agent in the soil, which have adverse effect on plant growth, human and animal health. It occurs due to a rapid growth of industrial development, intensive agriculture, and other anthropogenic activity, that is, the man-made activity. Soil pollution may change the physical, chemical, and the biological nature of soil and make it unfit for plant growth and the animal and human uses. Soil pollutant is any factor which decrease the quality, texture, and mineral content of the soil, or which disturb the biological balance of the organism in the soil. These pollutants decrease soil quality, disturb the soil natural balance. Then the causes of soil pollution. The pollutants like acid washed off from the atmosphere, that is the acid rain, is main cause of soil pollution. Then some pesticide, insecticide, herbicide sprayed in the field, these are play a main role for the soil pollution. Then the excessive use of artificial fertilizers. Then the solid waste like garbage, trash, ash, building material, plastic bottle and cans. The storage and disposal radioactive waste from the power plant. Then seepage from a landfill. Discharge of industrial waste into the soil. The percolation of contaminated water into the soil. Rupture of underground storage tank. Deforestation and soil erosion also play an important role in a soil pollution. Pollution due to the urbanization. These are the main causes of soil pollution. Then we move toward the sources of soil pollution. These are the three main sources of soil pollution, and these are the type of soil pollution. First is the agricultural soil pollution, second industrial soil pollution, and third is urbanization soil pollution. The agricultural soil pollution, we depend for food on the agricultural crop. Agricultural crop attack from insect, fungi, bacteria, viruses, rodent and other animals. To kill unwanted populations living in on their crop, farmers use pesticide and herbicide. Due to the pesticide and herbicide, crop yield increases. But the soil contamination can be occur when the pesticide persist and accumulate in the soil. That's why this is a main source of soil pollution due to the using of agricultural pesticide and fertilizers. Then the second is industrial soil pollution. The large quantity of solid waste like unwanted and rejected chemicals. Then third is urbanization soil pollution. Urbanization leads to a deforestation and ultimate soil erosion. Urban activity generate large quantity of city waste, including several non-biodegradable materials such as plastic bag, plastic bottle, plastic waste, glass bottle, glass pieces, stone, cement pieces. If it is uncollected, they cause soil pollution. Then the effect of soil pollution on agriculture. The soil pollutants reduce the soil fertility. They also reduce the nitrogen fixation capacity in the soil. They increased soil erosion. Due to the soil pollution, the loss of soil and soil nutrients. Reduce the crop yield. Increase the salinity. Salinity is unfit for the plant growth. Then the deposition of slit in tank and reservoir. These are the main effect on agriculture due to the soil pollution. Then the effect of soil pollution on human health. The dangerous chemical entering underground water and leads to many severe diseases. Then the biomagnification. Biomagnification is the process of accumulation of pollutant into the one trophic level to the another, and this accumulation leads to the severe diseases like cancer. Then the release of pollutant gases. Then the release of radioactive rays causing health problem. Then the effect of soil pollution on environment. The soil pollutant reduce the vegetation growth. Due to the soil pollution, ecological imbalance and the imbalance in the soil fauna and flora. How to control the soil pollution? These are the control measures of soil pollution. We have to use the 4Rs for the controlling of soil pollution. Reducing the chemical fertilizer and pesticide use. Recycle paper, plastic and other material reduces the volume of reuse in landfills. Then the reusing of materials such as plastic bottle and glass bottles, etc. Then the reforestation. Planting trees or reforestation help prevent the soil erosion. Thank you.